Welcome to another Todd's 2-Minute Tech Tip Tuesday. Brought to you by the National RV Training Academy, the only academy that gives you the credentials to become a certified tech and/or certified inspector. You know, it's wintertime and we still have to consider our air conditioner. No, it's not what you think. I'm not saying just about those people who are very far south and are still using their air conditioners. I'm talking about the heat pump. A lot of us out there, we have heat pumps. You know where that heat pump is actually coming from? It's coming from the air conditioner. Now, let me go ahead and talk about what a heat pump is. The heat pump is just running your air conditioner in reverse. Now, I'm not talking about the fans in reverse. I'm actually talking about the coolant. What we're doing is we're putting a high pressure, hot coolant over here, and then of course the relatively lower pressure, cold coolant over here. Cold air goes across those hot coils, and of course that's where our heat pump is. Now, why am I talking about this? Well, because I still want to bring up to you guys this right here. Now, this right here is a soft start, easy start by Micro Air. Now, the reason why I'm talking about this is because I totally believe in one of these products. Something I actually tried to debunk a couple years ago, and after studying what they do, putting it to the test, I was hooked. What they do is they take away the need for that inrush and allow you to actually start your air conditioner or heat pump without that inrush. Did you know it takes a ton of electricity to get your compressor started? As a matter of fact, it takes about 69 to 70 amps to get it started. What does it mean? Well, if you're on limited power, whether it be a generator, solar, or of course, moochdocking over at Aunt Fanny's house, you want to go ahead and use one of these because it takes away that huge inrush of power that's needed because you won't have it at Aunt Fanny's house. And there's your tech tip. If you want to be able to fix the majority of the problems on your rig, well, let's say you want to open up a business, become a certified inspector or a certified RV technician, head over to our website at nrvta.com, click on programs, and get started today. Or just be plugged in moochdocking because of course you're checking out, you know, Aunt Fanny's new recipe for Christmas. I don't know where I'm going with that. I sell cotton sheets. I don't know how to say this in Chinese. Ding along, ding dong ding. I'm happy to see you. All right. Don't know what my wrap up is. You may not know what that is. The inrush is. Did you know it takes a lot of electricity? Hi everybody, my name's Todd Henson. Hey, this week on. All right. Whether you're. So, on this week, I want to go ahead, since we're approaching winter, let me start over with that. Winter is a good time to still consider. Winter is a good time to still consider. I don't even know what I'm considering. Hey, you know what? It's a winter time. Yeah. You know, it's winter time, and you know what? A lot of us are still using our air conditioner.
I'm slowing that one down.
A lot of us are still using our air conditioner. Why did it go so slow? All right. Now, just to be real quick, all that we're doing when we put it on, damn, what's wrong with my mouth? You think we put something together with that?